Hi guys, it's Marcela here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do this cute and beautiful hairstyle. It is so pretty, perfect for a wedding or any special occasion. I really hope you like it. If so, give it a big thumbs up, and of course if you wanna see the step-by-step on how to do it, keep watching this video. Okay, we're going to start by doing a division in the middle of the head. It is a big zigzag. Now I'm going to hold this section and the division will look like this. I also separated a small piece of hair at the front and I'm going to start on this side. As you can see, here is the division. We're going to start on this corner. Next, we will need a piece of ribbon. You can use any color. And we're going to start by picking up a small piece of hair. I'm going to do a double knot with the ribbon around this division. And now we're going to split it into 3 equal sections. And we're going to start by doing a French braid. We're going to cross the outside strands over the middle one. And now we're going to add hair to the braid. Now from the other side, cross this strand over the middle one and we're going to add a small piece of hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps and we're going to do 4 or 5 stitches of the braid on each side. When we are here, we're going to grab the ribbon. Now pass it underneath the braid and hold it aside. Again, keep braiding. We're going to do 4 or 5 stitches of the braid on each side. And now grab the ribbon, pass it underneath the braid and keep it aside again. We're going to keep braiding doing the same steps. And we have to wrap the braid with the ribbon every 4 or 5 stitches. Okay, in here we're going to hold the braid with an elastic. Next, we're going to hide this little piece of ribbon using a comb or brush. Now I'm going to do the other side and I'm going to start on this corner, picking up a small section of hair. We're going to do a double knot with the ribbon and do the same steps that we did on the other side. Okay, now we can hold the braid. And when you have them, we're going to roll them up and pin them in place. We're going to use bobby pins. You can use as many as you need. Now cut the remaining ribbon and I'm going to do the same thing with the other braid. Good. Cut the remaining ribbon again. And now we're going to decorate the hairstyle. You can use pearls or flowers or any accessory. With the front section, we're going to comb it and bring it to the side. You can use hairspray. And in here, I'm going to hold the hair using a bobby pin. To finish, I'm going to hide the remaining hair. And this is our final view. I think the result is so pretty. I really hope you love it as well. And please guys, let me know in the comments down below what kind of hairstyles would you like to see on our next videos. See you all very soon. Bye!